Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of October the 2nd. Yes, October the 2nd. We have here two regular Sudokus. Well, actually it's one. We have one medium Sudoku and a quintuplet. Quintuplet 5 Sudokus merge into a one whole big quintuplet, and I've told you I won't do this. I won't solve these kind of Sudokus anymore. It's taking too long for me to solve this. More than an hour I need to solve. So only one regular Sudoku, and it's medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper there's also, yes, Saturday, October the 2nd, there's also 6 extra Sudokus in this additional Sudoku. First Sudoku, letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, 3-star Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars. Then we have a binary, those two are not interested, and a tectonic with 1 star. Three of them I will solve, and the other 3 I will solve those tomorrow, yeah, on Sunday. But first we will solve this medium Sudoku number. This will be number 3479. 3479. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 1 star. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. How about the 7? A lot of 7s. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle columns, and the column next to only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here or there. We see here 7, we see there 7, so no 7s in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Then how about the number? The number, let me see. Six. Yeah. 6. Okay. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. We see therefore no 4 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about the 3 in this column? 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then alright, 6 in this in the middle row we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there in the middle row. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. 6, 6. Okay. 6, 9, 2. 6, 9, 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4, therefore it should be here. Alright. Alright. Then how about the number 4 in this third column, 4 in the second column. So first column, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4, therefore should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So that column, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4, therefore should be here. Now we have a 4 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. So now we have 4 here. This box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 4. Alright. Alright. Then 3, 9, 2. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers in the middle row are the numbers we have here. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, and look, we have a 2 and a 3 in this column. So no 2 and 3 in this box. The 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 2 and a 3, so 1 digit left should be the 9. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in this column, so no 2 and a 3 in this box. The 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. One box left in the middle row for the number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing, and the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 3, 9, 5. Then. How about the number? Yeah. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. There 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 2. Okay. One. Okay. Then 6, 9, 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and a 6 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright, so we have a pair now. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 6 could be here, could be there. Together with the 1, we have a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. The other pair in this big square, other numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 5 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the third row. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 3 and a 9 cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Well, we have a pair again. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places for the 9 could be here, could be there. Together with the 1, we have a pair. So 1 digit left in the first column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 box left in the first row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. The 9 and the 3, I believe. Yes, the 3 is also missing. 1 box left in the second column. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Alright, the 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box isn't 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 9. Okay, 2 boxes left in this big square. Here we have the 1 and the 9. The other pair should be the 8 and the 6. 8 and the 6 are missing. Let me mark those. A lot of pairs in this puzzle. This row, 2 numbers left. 8 and a 6. 8 and a 6. We have an 8 now, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 1 box left. In this big square here, we have 1 and a 9. This should be the 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6. And this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 9. 9 in the last row, 9 in a row above. So in that row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. We have 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 8 in the last column. 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the third row. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. And look, now we have a 9 there. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 9 and a 5. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 9 goes there. 5 in the last column. 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be there. Final 2 numbers of this big square. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 3 and a 9. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow. Definitely a 1 star. Could be faster, but I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the letter Sudoku, and I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the tectonic, for the binary, for the quintuplet, for the killer Sudoku, all kind of Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Saturday, and we will continue later on in the evening with the other 3 puzzles. Yeah, until then, bye bye for now, and the practice continues.